Right, I think right here in the middle there's a good spot.
No, right here.
We'll start down there? Okay. I think this present's bigger than you are.
What is it?
Well, you'll have to see.
What?
Keep opening. There's a whole lot more. I see Disney on there.
There's that princess.
Yeah, if you want to, here, let's flip it around so you can get to the other side. Because it's big. Whoa, there goes the cameraman.
Cinderella.
I know.